Hi friends, welcome to our channel Book of Facts. Today we are going to see an amazing fact about Philippines. The Philippines was the first country in Southeast Asia to gain independence after World War II in 1945. Some Filipinos are wary of the number 13 and will avoid having 13 people at a table. Also, steps to the main entrance of a house should not fall on a number divisible by 3. Superstitious Filipinos will not travel or bath on Holy Thursday or Good Friday during the Holy Week. Philippines is the only majority Christian nation in Asia. 80% of its population identifies as Roman Catholic. According to Filipino custom, it is considered rude to open gifts immediately after they are given. The Philippines is the only country in the world whose flag is hoisted upside down when the country is at war. The University of Santo Tomas was founded in Manila, Philippines by Dominican monk in 1611. It is the world's largest Catholic university in terms of population, and the University of San Carlos in Cebu City, founded in 1595. Both universities are older than Harvard University, which was not founded until 1636. Jellyfish Lake in the Philippines contains more than 13 million jellyfish. Filipinos observed the world's longest Christmas season. It begins with the playing of carols in September and officially ends in January with the Feast of the Three Kings. As part of the festives, they celebrate Simbang Gabi or Night Mass, where Catholic attend night services in a row leading up to Christmas Eve. If a person attends all 9 masses, it is said their wish will be granted. Filipinos' Christmas feast are called Noche Buena and compare to America's Thanksgiving. War journalist Carlos Pena-Romulo was the first Asian Filipino to win the American Pulitzer Prize for Correspondence in 1942. He was also the first Asian to become the President of the United Nations. The first elected Filipino President, Ferdinand Marcos, had been dead for almost 2 decades. His body has never been properly buried. It remains on ice, while officials quibble about whether he should be buried in the cemetery reserved for Filipinos' hero and past presidents. The Philippines is the world's second biggest geothermal producer after the United States, with 18% of the country's electricity needs being met by geothermal power. In the rural Philippines, most women give birth at home and they have the baby's placenta buried beneath the house, often with an object symbolizing what the parents hope the child will grow up to be. In the cities, this practice is prohibited by the health authorities. Cockfighting is a centuries-old blood sport which is popular since the times of ancient Persia, Greece and Rome. In the Philippines, it is still very popular and the country has hosted several World Slasher Cups staged in Manila. The world's leading game fowl breeders gather twice a year for this event. The Philippines is considered the text capital of the world. Every day, 35 million Filipinos send about 450 million SMS messages. This is more than the total number of daily text messages sent in the US and Europe combined. The Aswang, a mythical female-like vampire figure in Filipino folklore who eats unborn children, has been the subject of at least one American horror film and was featured in an episode of the CW television hit Supernatural called Fresh Meat. I hope you guys like this video. For more videos, subscribe our channel Book of Facts.